Hey everyone, so as you know that TranZact is an e-invoice enabled platform and many of you is already using e-invoice functionality of TranZact. So recently we have made few changes in validation. So earlier there were validations which were not available like HSN code being mandatory and then after the address part being mandatory. Now we have incorporated that in TranZact so that your e-invoice creation should be smooth and you don't need to go ahead and cancel the invoice after creating it. So what all validations we have came up with, let me show you. So first of all, let's take an example and let us go to sales and purchase. I went ahead and selected an invoice here. So now what I will do, I will click on Balaji Corporation. Now please check. I selected one of the item and made the HSN code blank. Now here I will just fill few of the data, and what I will do, I will simply just go ahead and click on USD part. Leave it, I will leave every details blank. Just I will quickly mention this, go below and please check. Once I will go ahead and click on save as confirm. Please check here. You can see that it is asking for the HSN code because as per the government regulation, HSN code is mandatory. Same here goes with the address as well. If the address to part is blank, then in that case as well, system will give you an error and it will ask you to go ahead and fill the details. After that, you can create the document. So this is what we have made changes in order to make the journey of e-invoice smooth for you. I hope this functionality will be better for you and this will reduce your invoice cancellation. In case of any query related to this, you can reach us on our support chat and we will be there to assist you happily. Have a good day ahead.